Thank you for attending today. So, let me start by introducing our founder. Of course, si Mr. Lu Liang Fat is our founder and chairman. And he's a visionary leader who started Carrefour in Vietnam more than 10 years ago. And he was concentrating on Vietnam for years, no, before he decided to expand his market to other countries. Talagang pinalaki muna niya yung Vietnam and make sure that they have received several impressive milestones. Pinalaki nila yung sales. They made it to the top 3 direct selling in Vietnam, and until such time that he is confident na ready na talaga to open Carrefour in other markets, no? And here is the building that we own in Ho Chi Minh. This is where Mr. Lu is having his office, and also yung ating mga management for global management team is there. Okay, so yan, makikita nyo, we have that building, and here is our chairman with the CEO, Mr. Casey Howe. Okay, Mr. Casey Howe is the one in charge of opening global markets. And there you can see in the video yung office naman ng ating founder, si Mr. Lu. Yan. Ang ganda niyan, I've been there. And on the same floor, there is parang conference room where he invites all the top leaders for meetings, yung mga VIPs, yan. Okay, so yung mga building na nakikita nyo are the offices in Vietnam. So you've seen the Ho Chi Minh branch kanina. There's another building, which is this one on the left side. It's the headquarters where people or distributors are getting products, buying products, meeting their prospects or their downlines. May conference room dyan, and may area where they can do presentations. Yan. So that's where the main office is in Ho Chi Minh. Pero syempre, since Carrefour is very big in Vietnam, they have also other branches in Hanoi, in Da Nang, and Canto. Okay, so there are big groups from these places, no? Especially the Hanoi branch. May malaking team na nandyan sa Hanoi. That's why whenever they have the convention, hindi lang isang place, no? They make sure na meron din sa not only in Ho Chi Minh but also in Hanoi because of the big group there. Okay, dito naman sa Philippines, very soon, actually right now it's being already being done, being renovated, ang ating main office, which is going to be in Ortigas, Pasig City, okay? It's in Antel Global Corporate Center, okay? If you've been here in Metro Manila, Ortigas is one of the business districts here, aside from Makati, and also BGC Taguig, okay? So this is where we will be having our office very soon, in Ortigas, Pasig. And of course, we have our core team in the Philippines. Kanina, you've met Mariam already, our business development manager. And I am the one in charge of business growth in the Philippines, together with Mariam. And of course, along with us is our general manager or country manager, si Mr. Boyet Fidelino. Okay. So, and then of course, ang ating company has several awards na nakuha, coming from Vietnam Economic Times, and also Vietnam Association of Functional Food, and Saigon Economic Times. And ang pinaka-latest award na nakuha natin is yung Product of the Year Award last year. Okay? So, para makuha mo yung Product of the Year na award na yun, it's a great achievement already for Care for Global, Care for Global. So, here you can see ang ating mga distributors who went to different countries, okay, to experience the world. We have different trips, mga incentive trips na ginagawa natin to make sure that, our distributors will experience parang reward nila sa kanilang, of course, na-achieve na sales for certain period of time. Okay, and then we also have distributor activities or trainings. Yan yung mga nasa Vietnam, which we will duplicate here in the Philippines. So once we start, rest assured that we will be having some trainings. We will be going to your cities to make sure that we are aligned, no? Yung mga product knowledge, share natin yan sa inyo, and also marketing plan, and also some trainings on how you can grow your organization. Ayan. So, okay, let's talk about our products. Okay. So, syempre, ang product natin is from New Zealand. Ang main office or headquarters natin is in Vietnam, but our product is from New Zealand. So, alam niyo naman, pag sinabing New Zealand, it's, grass-fed, yung mga cows dyan, free range, hindi sila nakakulong, no? Basta if you've been to New Zealand, nakikita mo lang sila dyan nakakalat, no? Mas marami pa yatang cows than humans doon sa New Zealand. And dahil grass-fed sila, syempre, mas healthy yung mga cows. Compared to other countries na grains ang binibigay or mixed feeding ang binibigay. So, yung nutrients na nanggagaling sa cows from New Zealand, syempre, mas maganda, mas malinis. Okay? So, sa New Zealand, yung growth hormones banned din, no? So, they don't use yung mga antibiotics, pesticides. So, we are sure na walang chemical exposure ang mga cows so that yung kanilang colostrum or milk talagang chemical-free. So, it's purer and safer. Okay, so ang product natin is bovine colostrum. So, as you can see here, it is considered superfood for your health. Bakit? Kasi bovine colostrum actually is from cows, no? It's better than human colostrum. It has more proteins and more essential nutrients, no? And we know, pag sinabing colostrum, isa sa mga major function yan sa katawan natin is to boost our immune function, no? Because it has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. And then it also enhances gut health, okay? Why? Because 90% of our immune system is found in our gut, okay? Kaya nakakatulong siyang mag-support doon sa gut lining and promote healthier gut or intestinal environment. Plus, ang bovine colostrum is rich in nutrients. Lahat ng mga, of course, yung mga immunoglobulins na kasama sa colostrum na nagpapalakas ng immune system. Meron siyang cytokines, proteins, growth factors, and it's believed that, or according to studies, it has 40 times more antibodies than human colostrum. So, that's why bovine colostrum is considered a superfood for our health. Okay. So, yan. Nourish your second brain. Bakit second brain? Okay. So, actually, yung gut natin, okay, there's what we call our body's second brain. Second brain. It's the network of neurons na tinatawag daw na enteric nervous system or yung ENS, no? So it says here that it has 500 million neurons embedded throughout the lining of our gastrointestinal tract. So, although syempre, hindi siya katulad ng brain natin na nag-iisip, nagre-reason, hindi ganon, no? But, it plays a crucial role in maintaining both physical and mental health. Why? Because yung ENS is a vast web, no? Nakikita nyo dyan, no? Sa ating presentation. It's a vast web of parang mga enzymes, no? Makikita nyo, it regulates parang nerve cells na tawag nan, it's a network of nerve cells that controls digestion from start to finish. So it regulates yung muscle contractions, yun yung nagmo-move ng food sa ating digestive tract. It manages enzyme secretion, monitors nutrient absorption. So it can function independently of the central nervous system. Okay? So maganda siya. It communicates constantly with our gut-brain axis, you know. It's a two-way communication system involving yung mga nerves na nakikita niyo dyan, yung hormones, at saka yung immune signal. So, yung connection na yon means that what happens sa ating gut can actually influence our mood. Okay? Yung stress levels natin, yung the way we think, yung cognitive function natin, okay, it affects all that. So, feelings of anxiety or yung calm can often be traced back to signals na nanggagaling. Ano ba nangyayari doon sa ating gut? Okay? Because 90% of the body's serotonin, okay, that is yung neurotransmitter that regulates yung mood natin, yung happiness natin. It is actually produced in the gut. Okay? So this explains why digestive issues can sometimes coincide with yung mga emotional disturbances and why improving gut health can have a positive impact on our mental well-being. Okay? O di ba, pag gutom ka, parang hindi ka makaisip, di ba? Pag hindi ka kumakain ng maayos, it affects how you think, okay? So, supporting the second brain, which is our gut, means maintaining our health, okay? So, kailangan din syempre sabayan natin yan ng good eating habits, no? Balance dapat yung diet natin, dapat kumakain tayo ng fiber, okay? Yung mga fermented foods, prebiotics, probiotics, no? And syempre, kailangan din tayong uminom ng maraming water. We have to stay hydrated, no? To aid digestion, managing stress, and, be mindful of what we think and what we feel. Plus, samahan din natin yan ng magandang tulog, adequate sleep to support our neural and digestive function. So, basically, yung tinatawag na ENT, ENS, enteric nervous system, is more than just yung collection of nerves, no, na sinasabi. It's a vital partner in our overall health. Okay, so by caring for our gut, okay, inaalagaan natin yung gut natin, kumakain tayo ng maayos, yung body's second brain natin, that means it is possible to enhance not only digestion, but also emotional balance and mental clarity. So yun yung ibig sabihin why we need to nourish yung second brain natin. And syempre, colostrum, as I mentioned kanina, is one of the superfood, no? that can help us nourish our gut because of the immunoglobulins, growth factors, nutrients, no, na nakakatulong dyan sa pag-support ng gut lining natin. Okay? So, plus, okay, here's a clinical study saying that colostrum therapy for human gastrointestinal health and disease can actually, help our gut. So helping your colostrum can help your gut bacteria, can boost your health and the immune function. Okay, yan. Meron siyang clinical research. So, ang ating colostrum, as I mentioned, is from cows, okay? And isa pang advantage ng care for colostrum is that we collect it sa first 24 hours after birth. Kasi we know na pag colostrum, nanganak yung cow, ang lalabas sa kanya before the milk is colostrum for the first 3 days up to 7 days. Okay? Hanggang mag-transition na siya to milk. Okay, so, ang ating colostrum, kinokollect natin sa first 24 hours. Okay? That means, doon yung pinakamataas yung immunoglobulins and also yung mga antibodies that help strengthen yung ating immune defense. Okay? So, yung mga growth factors, IGF, EGF, all those lactoferrin, proteins, lahat yan, cytokines, mas matataas yan kapag sa first 24 hours. That's why we call our colostrum a 24-hour colostrum. Kasi yung immunoglobulins or antibodies, yung level niya will drop by up to 50 to 60%, no? At pagdating ng second day, third day, hanggang kumukonti na siya, hanggang mag-transition na siya to regular milk. Okay, so that's good that our colostrum is collected first 24 hours. And then, here is a clinical study saying that colostrum can bovine colostrum milk can induce metabolic changes and reduce the expression of various pro-inflammatory mediators, thus improving the immune function. Ayan. So I'm just showing you clinical, third-party clinical research about bovine colostrum. And here's another one. Another clinical study saying that colostrum can reduce harmful bacteria. So, when we are exposed to viruses, which we are, madami dyan, no? I mean, di naman 100% clean yung environment natin. I mean, even our phones, may mga possible bacteria or viruses na pwede tayong makuha dyan. Our laptop, when we go out sa mall, when we hold the escalator, di ba? Yung mga viruses can be easily transmitted. So it says here that because of makikita nyo sa diagram na meron siyang immunoglobulins, lactoferrin, cytokines, yun yung mga immune modulator sa colostrum. Meron siyang mga growth factors, okay, meron siyang all of this that you can see here, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats, okay, and antimicrobial properties. Okay, so it says there's a clinical research supporting, okay, na pinapaganda or pinapataas ng colostrum ang ating immune system to fight viruses or harmful bacteria. Okay, there's this, what we call the biolactal technology, which is the iron binding, parang protein, no? It's like a coating that is being coated to every particles of our colostrum to make sure that it will survive yung ating stomach acids. Okay, so listen to Mr. Grant Washington Smith explanation about Biolactol.
We developed Biolactol for our product as a way to help improve the absorption of some of those key nutrients in colostrum. The problem is, as a baby, the body is designed to absorb some of these large molecules directly across the gut barrier. But as you get older, the ability to absorb large complex molecules is greatly reduced. There are a couple of areas in the gut where that can happen, but not as many as are present when the baby is born. So a way to get around that, to improve the absorption of some of these molecules, is to wrap them up in what's referred to as a micelle. It's a bilayer coating. And it's the same way the body deals with absorbing fats and oils, like omega-3 fish oil, for example. It goes through a different pathway of absorption. So if you can take a complex protein, wrap it up in a fat or a lipid component, it will be absorbed whole through a different pathway. It doesn't have to be broken down like proteins and carbohydrates do. So we can absorb them pretty much intact. So that's why we developed Biolactol, is to help improve absorption and to get more effectiveness out of each glass or serving of Colossus IG Gold.
Okay, so di ba ang ganda that we have that technology. Plus, here I will show you our manufacturing facility in New Zealand. Okay, there are the cows where we get the colostrum fresh, and then from there, of course, it is transported to our manufacturing facility. We have here our scientific team who are continuously doing research for our products, not only colostrum, but more products. And there you can see our manufacturing plant called Bodco, and it's one of the best manufacturing facility where Mr. Lu, or our company, is one of the investor partners. Okay, so there you can see our colostrum. So from fresh colostrum, liquid siya, no? It's being sent to the factory for pasteurization, 15 seconds for 70 degrees to make sure na yung mga germs or whatever nakasama dun sa colostrum matatanggal, no? 15 seconds. And then also ma-maintain din yung nutrients, no, nakasama doon. That's why it's only done for 15 seconds yung flash pasteurization. And then from there, it's being spray dried, magiging powder form siya. And ang next step will be lahat ng mga essential other nutrients. Sinasama na din all the vitamins, minerals, probiotics, fiber or prebiotics, andyan na. And then it's being canned, lalagyan ng label, okay? And then from there, it's being delivered fresh from the farm, no, to your family. So that's how we manufacture our Colossus IG Gold and our other products. So we don't have to, kasi ibang company would get products from a third-party supplier, di ba? Kahit anong product na lang, basta may product sila, they're happy about it, basta meron lang silang mabenta. Pero tayo hindi. You can see how we manufacture our product and it's of highest quality. And not only that, we have all these certifications that we have. Yung tinatawag natin na good manufacturing practice is there, yung GMP. We have the RMP or the risk management plan. Yung mga pharmaceutical companies kasi, it's parang regulatory requirements sa kanila yan. Magkaroon ng RMP for safety and efficacy of the products, no? So yung HACCP naman is the hazard analysis and critical control points. Yun yung systematic method used in the industry para ma-identify, para ma-assess yung quality control sa manufacturing facility. Ayan, meron tayo niyang certification na yon. Plus, we have halal certification, we have organic certification, organic export standard certification, and lahat ng mga kailangan natin to meet European standards, meron tayo niyan. Plus, we also have the Fern logo. Okay, that means yung product natin indicates that it's genuinely made or grown in New Zealand and that it meets the criteria for being locally produced that it's authentic coming from New Zealand. So I'm here to discuss ano ba yung mga products natin that we will be launching here in the Philippines and the contents of our product. Siyempre, magsisimula tayo with Colors IG Gold. That will be one of the products na ilo-launch natin here in the Philippines. Plus, we will have Fit Boost, okay? This one is a meal replacement or weight management shake. Okay, so aside from what I have mentioned already, sabi ko nga, meron yung product natin na biolactal technology. Okay? In-explain kanina na Mr. Grant Washington Smith. And then also, meron siyang extra vitamins and minerals. Of course, syempre meron siyang 24-hour colostrum. I already explained that. Meron siyang 1,047 milligram calcium. Plus, may vitamin D3, magnesium, and phosphorus. That is good for bone health. So we know that magnesium can help regulate blood pressure, maintain normal heart rhythm, pati sugar levels natin, pwede niyang ma-regulate. Yung phosphorus naman can help sa strong bones and teeth, and pwede rin na maka-assist sa filtration ng ating kidneys, no? So yun yung maganda, kasama na din yan sa ating colostrum. Plus, you can see here, various vitamins, minerals, like zinc and selenium. Okay, so when you look at the product, no, marami siyang vitamin A, B, B1, B2, B3, kasama na iron and everything. It's all there. Okay, plus meron pa siyang zinc, which is good for the immune system or faster wound healing. Nakakatulong din siya. Faster metabolism. Plus, yung selenium naman is a potent antioxidant. Okay, that also helps healthy reproduction system. So aside from that, meron siyang 8 billion probiotics, and also meron din siyang 2-gram soluble fiber, which is also considered as a prebiotic. So yung probiotics, ano ba yun? Di ba, bumibili kayo ng Yakult. So sinasabi sa Yakult, maganda siya sa tiyan. Okay, why? Because mga probiotics have live beneficial microorganism that helps balance the gut flora. Okay, yun yung nagpapaganda sa ating gut flora. Mga microorganisms na kasama dyan sa prebiotics. So, yun yung considered as the good bacteria. Now, we also need fertilizer or food for the bacteria. Yun yung prebiotics. Yung soluble fiber na kasama dito. This is the fiber-rich, at pag sinabing prebiotics, yun yung mga nakikita sa mga fiber-rich compounds, no? Like onions, bananas. So, it's good that it is already in our colostrum para mag-serve as food for these beneficial bacteria, helping them to thrive and grow sa ating gut, no? So, yan ang mga ingredients na makikita nyo sa isang can or sa sachet ng ating colostrum. So, when you drink colostrum, we have sachet, di ba? And then you have your shaker. Now, you put your sachet here in the shaker and drink, cold water, okay? for you to drink the colostrum. Make sure you shake it very well. And the best time to take colostrum is when you wake up in the morning with empty stomach. Okay? Kasi wala pa siyang kalaban sa stomach natin, wala pang food. Mas maganda, mas ma-absorb siya ng gut natin. Imagine with all the essential nutrients na sinabi ko, it's actually when you take that first in the morning and you absorb it, no? It's very good. That's the time that we get all those immune factors, proteins, all that lactoferrin, lahat yan ma-absorb ng ating stomach. Okay, so if you take food or kung nagbe-breakfast ka, wait ka ng 30 minutes before you drink your coffee or you take your breakfast. Okay, so there is no overdose, okay, when you take colostrum. Just make sure na wag mo siyang sabayan ng food or any other drink, no? So, you can take it at 9 o'clock in the morning or before you sleep, if you want. Okay, so 99% of users reported overall health satisfaction. So, we always say na you should take colostrum continuously para, syempre, ma-experience nyo yung benefits, no? Kasi, syempre, when you take it once, baka hindi mo pa ma-experience yon, wala pa masyadong effect yon. Or kung meron man, minsan sabi nila parang ang pinakamagandang effect sa kanila is yung pinakamabilis, no? Even me, when I first took colostrum before, ang na-regulate niya sa akin is the bowel movement, no? Mas maganda yung bowel movement mo. So kung hindi ka bowel, if you don't do that every day, colostrum can help you regulate your bowel movement. So if you take it regularly, you can improve your immune function, you can have better nutrient absorption. If may food sensitivities ka, makakatulong din siya. Also, can help improve muscle recovery, okay? Also helps overcome brain fog, yung madaling, makakalimutin. It helps with your memory issues or concentration. And also helps manage anxiety and depression, which I already explained earlier, no, sa presentation. Okay. Fit Boost. Yan ang ating meal replacement shake, okay? So Fit Boost supports healthy weight, it builds lean muscle, and of course, dahil meron siyang hydrolyzed collagen, it gives us younger looking skin. Plus, meron din siyang Oxyfen, which is a blend of all these antioxidant fruits and anti-inflammatory fruits na nakikita nyo dyan, berries, kiwi fruit, grapes, no? Na makikita nyo sa ating Fit Boost. Okay, so, instead, if you want to lose weight, instead of eating regular food, di ba? Kailangan particular tayo sa meals natin eh. So we cannot, if malaki tayo, we cannot just keep on eating a lot of rice, or unhealthy diet na pinrito, maraming mga fats or mga oily food, hindi yun maganda sa atin. So, we have to do something about it. Tapos, iinom pa tayo ng mga unhealthy drink, a lot of coffee or milk tea, o yung mga drink na makita mo sa grocery, di ba? Madaming sugar yon. So, we need to be very particular about that, okay? So, maganda dito sa Fit Boost is that meron siyang mga antioxidant na kasama, and it's also a plant-based diet, okay, that can help us lose our weight. So, pag ininom mo to, ganun din, no? If you have, of course, you have what they call this, shaker, meron tayong sachet itong Fit Boost, may sachet here. Get the sachet and put it in your shaker or your blender. Kung may blender ka, mas maganda. And pwede mo siyang haluan ng avocado or fruits na gusto mo para mas healthy or veggies, no? Pwede rin. Then that will be your meal. Okay? Pwedeng yun na yung lunch mo. Hindi mo na kailangan kumain pa ng whatever unhealthy food na makikita mo or yung mga fast food. Let's get rid of that. So, meron diyang ito lahat niyan, it can help build lean and tone our physique. It can improve our skin elasticity. Okay, it can burn fats and it can defy aging gracefully. It enhances nutrient absorption and can also build muscles, boost metabolism, nourish our skin, and support our digestion. So lahat yan can be done by our Fit Boost. Okay, so so pag medyo obese yung individual, okay, so pag malaki ka na talaga, okay, you have to use this as a meal replacement drink, breakfast or dinner, for example. Okay, 1 or 2 servings per day. Okay, yun lang. And make sure that you drink it 1 month for sure. Merong effect yan sa physique mo. Medyo liliit ka na yan. If you have a normal weight, okay, use it as a breakfast replacement. No, 1 serving per day. It gives you extra energy for the day. At saka kung medyo active ka, okay, tapos hindi ka makakain ka agad ng lunch or whatever, it gives you extra energy, no, for that particular period. Kung underweight ka naman, you can use it as a nutritious snack, okay? Between pwedeng 9 a.m. or 3 p.m. para naman mag-gain ka ng weight. Okay, so eat regular breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Then you have to drink Fit Boost as your merienda or as your snack. Okay, so that's how we drink our meal replacement shake, ang Fit Boost. So here we have this event last December, ang ating leadership training na in attendance sa Vietnam, and also the Royalty Convention attended by more than 3,000 people. Okay, lahat ng awardees nandyan, no? They were awarded kung ano man yung rank na na-achieve nila. And also, they were given this attaché case na commission nila. Yung quarterly commission is being given sa mga naka-achieve, no, ng quarterly commission. And the quarterly commission, the lowest na naka-achieve dyan is around 371 pesos. 371,000 pesos. Okay, yun yung lowest. Can you imagine? Achieved by these achievers, 42 achievers. And then yung highest is 6.7 million. Okay? Achieved by this couple naman. Yan yung highest commission. And it's not even what they call this, the only commission. Quarterly commission lang yan. Okay? Yung monthly commission, hindi kasama dyan. Yung yearly commission, hindi rin kasama. So, it's only given every quarter. Ayan. So, are you excited to go to Malaysia? Sana lahat tayo dito na nag-attend ngayon will be able to join Malaysia trip. Okay? Paano yan? Kailangan mong maging supervisor to go to Malaysia. Okay, so there we will be, of course, going to the office in Malaysia. You will be meeting our CEO, Mr. Casey Howe, and then some of our distributors there who are building. Magkakaroon kayo ng training with them. And also, there will be a city tour in Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so it's going to be an amazing travel, and it's a once in a lifetime offer. Kumbaga, it's something that we will, not offer again. Kasi mag-open lang tayo and we want to treat those who are actually building or starting to build, okay? And it's not even that difficult, no? Kasi hindi naman 5-star ang hinihingi natin. Ang hinihingi lang natin is become a supervisor and you can join our Malaysia trip. So each box of or each can of colostrum is 3,640 pesos with 1,000 PV. Each box is 1,848 pesos with 500 PV. Okay. Sometimes it's not about the price, no? Kasi sinasabi natin na, ang mahal naman, merong nabibili sa Shopee, 500 or 700. That is true, no? Pwede kang tumingin sa Shopee, sa Lazada, may makikita kang iba't ibang klase ng colostrum. Pero yung colostrum nila, whether capsule, in powder form, in tablet form, is just colostrum. Okay? Wala silang ingredients or extra nutrients na katulad ng colostrum natin. Now, merong colostrum collected within 24 hours, wala siyang probiotics, wala siyang prebiotics, vitamins, minerals, yung zinc na sinabi ko, vitamin D, calcium, wala silang lahat nun. Okay? You can buy 400 pesos colostrum, but without the added nutrients. So sometimes it's not about the price, it's about the value. So if we can shell out 150, 200 pesos to a cup of coffee, yung milk tea is around 150, yung vape, yung mga nagve-vape, no, na we know that it's not healthy for us, would spend 200 or even 800, no? Depende sa klase, no? But a sachet of colostrum is 132. Kung nakakabili tayo ng mga unhealthy products, so why not allot that budget for a healthy drink like colostrum? So we spend on things that only last a few minutes. Yeah, happy tayo, naka-coffee tayo, or yung milk tea satisfies our cravings, yung habit natin na satisfy because we are doing vape and everything. But investing in your health is something your body benefits from every day. Okay? So sometimes the best investment isn't what we drink for pleasure. It's what we take and how we take care of ourselves. Okay, so yeah, so one colostrum a day is good for our gut. It's good for our body. Okay, so yung supervisory kit, explain ko lang kung bakit advantageous to get the success kit. Kasi, alright, with all the products na kasama dyan, meron siyang 50 boxes is equivalent to 92,000. Plus may Fit Boost siya, equivalent to 18,000. May shaker siya na 25, equivalent to 1,500. Plus all of the marketing collaterals, business center cost, may free delivery ka pa that pwedeng 1,500 kung malayo ka. And then meron siya mga free products na Colos IG and Green Boost, okay? Amounting to 9,000 and 2,500. So lahat ng yan is equivalent to 127,340, but you are only paying for 110,600. So meron kang saving na 16,740. Okay, so if you have extra money, okay, instead of putting it in a bank, actually, sa savings pa lang, kita ka na. Di ba? May kita, dito sa 16,740, malaki na ang kita mo compare to yung money mo na nilagay mo sa bangko. Okay? Meron ka nang na-save na 16,740 plus i-retail mo pa sila, yung mga products, okay, that will give you, if you retail the products, lahat ng boxes will give you 126,000. Lahat ng Fit Boost is 22,000. So, ang retail value niya is 148,000. So, meron kang overall profit na 38,240. Yun yung balik sa'yo, no? Kapag na-retail mo lahat ng product. So, I suggest if you have extra money, invest on Supervisor Success Kit so that you can also have enough stocks aside from the profit that I mentioned. Meron kang enough stocks to take for yourself, for your family, and you can share sa mga prospects nyo. Okay, so pakita ko lang dito yung possible monthly income na pwede mong makuha if you are a manager is pwedeng up to 35,000 pesos. Kapag 1 gold star ka, pwedeng up to 47,000. Pag 2 gold star ka, up to 95,000. By the way, yung sa Malaysia, yung highest paid nila during the first commission run was 2 gold star and equivalent to 116,000 pesos. So, mas malaki siya dito sa slide na to. Yung pangalawang highest paid, second place is 1 gold star, equivalent to 93,000. So, doble. Doble nitong 47,000. Diba? Okay, so it's possible to earn yung income na nakalagay dito. Pag gold star, 5 gold star ka, ang possible income mo is can reach up to 500,000 pesos. Okay, so it's very possible to do that if you start recruiting people, okay? Join now because you have the first mover advantage, you know? You enter before the crowd. Wala pa yung ingay, kumbaga. Hindi pa tayo nag-iingay, napansin nyo? We don't announce it yet because we're still waiting for all the necessary papers and everything. So kayo, you have the advantage to secure a strong position right now. Wala pang masyadong competition, pressure, okay? And it's very important kasi meron tayong mga ino-offer ngayon na pwedeng hindi na natin i-offer later on, katulad ng Malaysia trip, yung mga freebies na ino-offer natin ngayon. And of course, yung ating culture, very important to us, that kind of people that we invite here is a type of people that we want to deal with, no? Those people with values, you know, with good ethical practices, because we want good values to be duplicated by your people, by your downlines, no? For a healthier, more sustainable organization. So join us while the market is fresh, okay? And we are, kumbaga, in the perfect timing right now. I'd like to call on our country manager, okay, to give some inspirational messages to all of you. Let's type 11111 to welcome Mr. Boyet Fidelino. Hi, Boyet.
Hello, good afternoon, Cynthia. Good afternoon, Mario.
Good afternoon.
Ay, naku, maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo rito sa Zoom call na to, which is very important to us, especially, no? And very short lang ang sasabihin ko, in this business, hindi tayo nagbi-build lang ng income dito. Nagki-create tayo or nagbi-build tayo ng relationship, opportunities, and dreams. And alam nyo, ang success dito doesn't come overnight. It takes perseverance, teamwork, and belief in yourself. Pero I'm sure you're all in good hands with Ernie as your upline, si Boji. Number 1 yan. And si Leia, yan ang mother ng Iloilo noon eh. Siya ang nagumpisa ng Iloilo through Ernie. Kaya you will be in good hands. Let's support one another and talk to as many people as possible, share our vision, and prove that we are one. Together, we can achieve greatness dito sa business na to. We are one. Thank you, Cynthia.
All right, thank you so much, Boyet. And again, thank you everyone for joining us. So invite more people here in Care4. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.